So the camcorder wasn't recording and I've been talking to myself. So I've spent about 6 hours on this Fidelity 1000, which is of great sentimental value to the owner. And just check we're on Mr. Chippie's Mega Chippie channel. So should be spot on. These are a 3.5 watt radio, they're not a 4 watt radio.
Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
Roger, I'm ready now.
Roger.
We're on the extension speaker. I'll go back to the internal speaker so you can hear that. As I say, I thought the camera was recording and it wasn't.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger on this radio with no tone control.
Roger that.
Now we'll go to extension speaker on the factory original mic, which is pretty the same as the standard replacement we'd be using, but whether or not the insert's the same is another matter. I would always urge people with original mics to actually use them with the set with the standard replacement, because you probably want to keep this in the box for posterity. So it's a 1981 set. It's a great GT848 from Taiwan.
Right, we're just past the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Right, we're just past the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Roger. There's already some surface noise on that, on your signal.
Thank you, I was on 400 milliwatts.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at the crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Roger, that. Got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. Got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Fidelity CB1000 from 1981, using the GT848 great chassis from Taiwan. It's a 3.5 watt radio and it's doing 3.5 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the cable turn, at the Kelby turn.
Right. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Fidelity 1000 from 1981 and it's doing 3.5 watts and drawing 960 milliamps. In doing so, I'm on the factory original microphone. We're going to go over to low power, which I'll just look at a crib sheet and see how many watts it's doing. On low power it's 200 milliwatts. 200 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power doing 200 milliwatts. Going 860 milliamps. Back to full power. Now we are back at full power, 3.5 watts in.
Yep, Roger, that was all received. Bit hit and miss on low power, but I think there's a bit of interference there.
Not bad for a fifth of a watt though. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, prices today 153.7, or was it 152? Probably 153, and 165.9. Roger on that. Well, that concludes the test.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10, thank you for that.
Tango 21 to Me Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger on that. Got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, price today 153.7 or 152, probably 153, and 165.9.
Roger on that. Well, that concludes the test.
Roger that.
10-10, thank you for that. Okay, well that worked absolutely great. They usually do for me. And we'll go over to the base station and see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity CB1000 with the factory original mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it onto low power, which is just 200 milliwatts on this set. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we're on low power. Just there as a hum test. Back to normal power. There we have it. So I know we've got an audio line 341 lined up. I know we've got a Colt 295 chassis lined up. So they're features. We've got the 2 gramophone records of how to work your CB from the 70s, American ones, and we've got the CB Radio magazine to review from 1980 with a rather naughty picture on the back. So there we are. Thanks for watching.